for tearing up my shit. But she threw the pot at me. Did you not see the grease pot? Okay, we'll go arrest her too.
A mother slapped her daughter after a series of ongoing conflicts. The mother believes that her actions were merely a reaction to her daughter's aggressive attitude and destructive behavior. However, the situation escalated when the police arrived due to the domestic assault, despite the mother arguing that she was simply responding to her daughter's actions.
Are you her mom?
Yeah, I'm her mom, and this generation is fucked up.
Okay.
She don't stay with me, not supposed to fucking be here.
Talk to me. Let's go talk over here.
The only one that get me called a disturbance out here.
All right, so what's going on, man?
Ain't not going on. I'm telling her. Okay, she was supposed to be trying to be here until public housing hit her up on fucking Stony Brook or some shit. They told her that's it. But she's too disrespectful until I'm telling her to find her ass shelter or something when she go to work or don't go to work. Whether she go to work or don't go to work today, she needs to find her ass somewhere. Because I'll be done with the jail behind her. She ain't got nowhere to go. But you got a flip ass mouth and a fucking child out here in this cold and this rain. I'm sitting up here talking to you, telling you about what the fuck is due, trying to have a grown folk conversation. But as soon as I say one or two words you don't like, it's all this attitude and now you want to come out the mouth, fuck you and bitch. So I slap the shit out of her. That's my child. I'm gonna slap the shit out of her anytime you get disrespectful on me. She grown. She 25. She should be her own shit.
When did you
I damn right I slapped her today. I sure did. And she throw oil on me, broke my motherfucking plan in there. I slapped her ass, calling me a whole disrespecting me and all the shit she doing because I'm telling her to get the fuck out. And you're telling me what the fuck you're finna do and you ain't finna move. Get the fuck out. You don't even live here. I'm trying to help you out. No.
I got you.
But I give you my whole life. I need them. I know about her.
I appreciate you being quiet.
Just like I told that man, that baby, when this a child minded generation fucked up and ain't gonna get no better because these little badass motherfucking kids ain't raised up in no church nowhere. They don't know shit about responsibility. That's that one bedroom, and I got a one bedroom on purpose. So I wouldn't let nobody motherfucking stay with me. Ain't got no room for them. I don't even want to be staying with me. And she gonna have to find her somewhere else to go today. Why are we upstairs?
They're just gonna go talk to I guess is her who's up there? Is there anyone up there?
The mother's slap is an indication of losing control in a moment of anger. However, according to the law, regardless of the underlying reasons, domestic violence is unacceptable. In this case, the police officers were required to intervene and explain the laws surrounding domestic violence and the necessity to address the issue legally.
I'm with baby, but bitch, you need to get some shit started because I'm not finna be no built-in motherfucking babysitter every day all day. I got shit going on.
I got you. Let's get out of the road.
Like she asking me today if I'm finna sit up here and be here all day. So she can do an order for groceries. I'm not finna sit here all day waiting for your fucking order of groceries. I got shit to handle.
I got you.
I barely want to take your baby with me to go handle my motherfucking business, but since you going to work, bitch, I guess I'll deal with it. And you're not paying me for that. So every time we're going out, they wait for the show hard. The kindness towards it, bitch. You want to give the ass a kiss? So now while it's cold in between raining and whatever fucking storm comes, that bitch better find her somewhere else to go. She can't be here tonight.
So you said you did? You slapped her?
She got to go. She got to go.
So you said you slapped her, right?
I did slap her.
So, okay, so explain that.
But because she's sitting there, that's started cussing me, calling me bitches and whores and shit, and I slapped her. I'm the parent. I'm helping you out. And like I just told that other officer.
It was in a disciplinary.
Of course, she's my child. I just told that officer that's standing with her, I will beat her ass in front of y'all. She disrespect me again.
You gotta be careful with that.
I understand that, but that's a part of me don't give a fuck because that's my child. Brother laid down and had you.
I understand.
We be on our damn bed to have these fucking kids.
I understand.
And then they come up and then a bitch going out there way to help you. You ain't even supposed to fucking be here.
Where'd you hit her?
In her face. I slapped her. A polite slap. Why she talking about I'm politely saying fuck you?
Yeah, she said you weren't being too aggressive.
No, but I slapped her. I'm telling you I fucking slapped her.
Well, I appreciate your honesty, okay? We're gonna figure this out and then
that's why my fucking nails are
and then your nails, I like your nails, by the way, for what it's worth.
And then I'm trying to help them because time's so fucking hard, bro. This is not the time for families to be going against each other. How much am I supposed to fucking take, bro?
I got you.
And it's like these kids ain't gonna grow until you let their ass go, bro. I'm not finna suck up and deal with this shit. And the reason why you all fucked up like that because I didn't raise her. I was with a nigga that ended up on drugs and DCF got involved and they got into custody with their dad parents, bro. You were raised by your grandmama with one number fucking crackheads over there, so you get that fucked up ass attitude from that fucking dope house. And then it doesn't pay for anybody to raise your fucking kids. When you get them back, you got to rearrange it. Some shit she supposed to be known since teenager, but you full grown. If I raised you, you wouldn't be this fucked up. But you want to blame me for it. It wasn't my fucking fault. So if you want to blame me for it, then go to your grave with it because I'm tired of crying about shit. I'm tired of fucking explaining it. I wasn't in the fucking wrong.
You crying and everything, that shows that you actually hurt, right?
Man, it hurts me because every time I get my kids around me, bro, it's like shit that I'm just basic shit. I'm trying to explain to her. My mom told me young. You 25.
When did you?
Shit I'm trying to
so
let
you said
you know.
she was raised with a grandma. So when did you?
On her dad's side.
Okay, and when did you get her?
She
Were you always in her life? Or?
I was always in her life. Always spoiled a little bitch too, doing too much of a little bit, doing more than a little bit. Always.
I got you.
An important lesson from this incident is the need to handle family conflicts with patience and calmness, especially in stressful situations. Violence is never a solution to any conflict and can lead to serious legal consequences. Moreover, family relationships should be based on mutual respect and understanding.
I was here a couple months ago in reference to the whole plant issue.
I'm always trying to help you out. The last time, the first time you came to grandma, you no lights off. Then you came again because the water was off. Now you came this time because grandma died 3 years ago and they just lost the fucking house. But you always come and oh fuck you and bitch and I'm not going out my way to help no disrespectful
Well, I know
ass
that you
child.
were doing it because of your grandbaby, right?
Come on.
Yeah, because
And then you're pregnant again.
how's the little one now?
Then he just turned one. Then she in there tearing up my shit. Want to throw my bamboo plant. You're trying to tell my phone. Why is you trying to tell him shit to get me kicked out? With your bullshit when you so miserable, you just love miserable. I'm not miserable. I'm not even stressed out. I'm stressed out from your stress. You're dropping your fucking weight on me, but she can't come back. She can't come back today. Not at all.
So this one I'm gonna do.
Not at all.
All right. That's what I'm gonna do. All right. You're not under arrest. I'm just gonna read you your Miranda rights. All right. So we can talk to you further about this. Okay. About what actually happened. So I'm required to warn you before you make any statement that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Your own free will. Any statement can and will be used against you in a court of law. You understand each of these rights are
Yeah.
okay. All right.
Right.
This happened the last time.
Right.
Okay, and when I actually spoke with you about not letting her back in because it's
Right.
an ongoing issue, and she was leaving.
Okay, but why am I getting arrested for slapping her?
You're under arrest for
my
domestic
property?
battery.
But why would it be for domestic if I'm
Because-
slapping her for throwing my shit around in my
because
house?
You can't go and put your hands on her, especially now she's an adult. Okay, you can't be going and hitting her just because she
Okay,
goes.
well, go and talk to her and tell her
point,
that she don't want to press no charges of having me
It
arrested.
doesn't. In the state of Florida, it doesn't work like that.
How am I arrested for domestic for slapping her?
Because-
For tearing up my
because
shit.
because
But she
you're
threw the
getting
pot at me.
that-
Did you not see the grease pot?
But the
Okay,
thing
well, go
is,
arrest
if-
her too.
if that-
Because she threw the pot at me and then
The
I'm
thing
slapping
is
her.
that you went and slapped her first,
She
and
threw the
then
pot.
things became more aggressive. Okay, things started getting more thrown around the house, and then you hit her again. You can't be putting your hands back on her.
Could you go? I want her out now. Can we please walk up there and make sure I lock my door before I leave? I want to lock my door before I leave.
We will make sure your stuff is secure. Okay.
I don't want them with a key. They cannot be in there while I'm in jail. I'll be down. Because I don't have them and they don't know how long I'm
Is it
fucking
is
sit.
it alright if I just put this on the kitchen table for you?
You can go on my way.
No, we're not.
No, I'm not gonna
doing
throw
it.
your
We're not-
property
No,
away.
no, no, no. They faking they dirty already.
No,
I'm
you're
serious.
fine.
You
We're
can
putting
just
it
jump
under
in
your
my
table,
head.
girl.
No, you can throw them
can
out.
clean them out
They're
later. We
cheap.
can't throw them out.
No, they was only like $2, $3.
Well, I'm gonna
It
put
doesn't
it.
matter.
She's got another one up here on
At
this
the
side.
top.
Here, I'll take
I
this.
want every fucking key.
The incident began when several people called 911 to report the dangerous driving behavior of a vehicle. The police stopped the car and asked the driver to exit for a check. The girl was driving under the influence, violating traffic laws, and was uncooperative when the police requested to stop the vehicle.
Signal
We're
one.
literally going
Ma'am,
over
I do not care.
My friends live at the inn, and they were gonna rent the place, and so
Okay.
we're gonna move their plan.
Do me a favor, step out of the car, turn off the vehicle and step out. Do you have any guns, knives, drugs, bombs, anything crazy in the car? Okay, ma'am, I'm talking to her, not you. Step over
No,
here.
sir.
How much you had to drink today?
I had a drink at overseas,
a
and we were
drink?
working well too. Two
Ma'am.
drinks.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me explain something. There's somebody who's been behind you. Stay in the car.
That's
Shut the
fine.
door right now and stay in the car. A car got behind you. They've been behind you the entire time. You have been reported as all over the road. I then pulled into here. You pull out of Tom Thumb without even paying attention to oncoming traffic. Then you pull into here, make a wide right-hand turn. You're driving
Yes.
you're driving in the grass.
Right.
I light you up all the way at the top of the street. Then you continue to drive down the street.
You know, I know that doesn't mean.
Stay in the car. Shut the door now. Just stay right here. Ma'am, if I have to tell you to stop doing again, you know what? Step out. Step out. Step out. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
What am I doing?
Stop. Stay right there. Don't move. You're throwing out of the car. Okay, where'd that come from?
I'm so sorry. It's not that.
Ma'am,
It's really not.
have a seat.
Please,
Have a
I
seat.
kids.
Have a seat. Put your legs in the car. No, you're not sorry.
not bad.
No, you're not sorry.
No, I
Put
know
your legs in the
the reason
car.
it is 'cause
Put your legs in the car.
Okay.
You're this close from to me taking you to jail. Just shut your mouth and let me do my job.
The girl's actions of throwing a bottle of alcohol out of the car and using drugs were not only illegal, but also demonstrated irresponsibility and a disregard for the work of law enforcement. Destroying evidence to conceal criminal behavior not only obstructs the investigation, but also escalates the seriousness of the case.
You see this blue light right here?
Yes, sir.
I want you to follow this with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Wherever this blue light goes, your eyes are going to follow. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Not your head. Keep your head straight. Just your eyes and
Yes,
your eyes
sir.
only.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All right.
Yes. It's
What?
not my problem.
That's my problem right now.
I just
Okay.
all I can hear is hers.
Don't worry about her. You're worried about me because right now,
Yes, sir.
right now the criminal investigation is on you. Okay.
All right.
She's already got her own issues.
All right.
Okay.
I'm extremely claustrophobic, please.
I stopped the car. I'm trying to talk to this young lady. We bring her back here. We're talking. We're having a conversation. This one's throwing evidence out of the car. I've told her like 3 or 4 times to stop. Finally, I just detained her. I'm at the point to where I...
Destruction of evidence?
Yeah, destruction of evidence and obstruction. So that tequila bottle was something. She started dumping out a bunch of booze and stuff out of the car.
Okay.
Okay.
So she is my neighbor.
Ma'am. Okay, we're not worried about her right now. I'm worried about you.
Yes, sir.
Okay? You see this line? What I want you to do is I want you to put your left foot on that line. Are you going to do it barefoot?
I'm
Or
gonna. Please! I'm severely claustrophobic, please.
Can you stop screaming?
No, I'm claustrophobic. I can't.
Listen, you're not getting out of the car.
Why the door? At least open the door, please.
You're going to
I
jail.
promise you. For what?
I think he already told you.
I'm not doing anything. I just need the door open, please. Anywhere. 9, 10.
Okay. All right. Last thing I'm going to ask you to do, face me right here. All right. Put your feet together and your arms down your sides like this. Okay. While doing this, keep your eye on your toe at all times. Keep your arms down your side and count out loud. Do not stop once you've begun. Okay. Okay. Listen, like this. We're not standing like Karate Kid. We're standing like this. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, sir.
You may begin.
Adhering to the law, especially when participating in traffic, is crucial. Driving under the influence is not only dangerous for oneself, but also threatens the safety of others. Furthermore, respecting and cooperating with authorities is essential. Actions such as destroying evidence and attempting to cover up crimes not only increase the severity of the violation, but also result in serious consequences for the offender.
You're under arrest for driving under the influence. You understand?
Right. Well, you have to have a blood test.
I don't have to have anything. I have enough probable cause to arrest you right now.
Well, I understand.
Okay?
Yeah,
What did you do wrong? From the get-go, from the moment you were stopped, you're not listening to what I'm telling you to do. You open it. Well, shut up. Shut up. You want me to start? Get in the car.
Tell me shut up.
Shut up.
Go ahead.
I just did.
Put your hands.
Get in the car.
Put your
Get in the
hands.
car. In the car.
Go
Get
ahead.
in the car. Jesus Christ.
In your lawful order, this is inside.
Why? Why? Why?
Hey, let me ask you, what else would your friend have been throwing out of the car other than the booze?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. Your license should be in the center console, correct?
Yeah, my license should be in the center
What color is your
console.
purse?
I don't have a purse because I'm like a dude.
All right, you know what? Do me a favor.
May I
Just-
show you?
For my safety, step back off of.
Woo! Jesus Christ.
ZABETH.
Yes, I'm a kid, so I just got a tampon.
Did she throw something out the window besides the bottle? Because there's like shake everywhere.
Yeah, What did she have in the car? Like, I want you to be honest with me. What I'm asking you.
But I don't know.
What I'm at.
I don't
what?
know. I don't know about that.
What drugs did she have in the car with her?
I don't know, sir.
You're with your friend. You know your friend. You know what your friends use.
No, that's my friend.
Okay,
no,
okay,
but
okay,
I was
okay.
trying to sell my boat.
To her. So you're telling me you don't know her?
I know her, but I don't know. You never know what your
Okay.
friends are about.
Okay. So if we find any drugs in this car, they belong to her, not you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Walk back here.
This is second.
Yeah, it's her. Just leave it on the front of the car. All right. You're gonna have a seat in the car with your friend.
Yes, sir.
You might want to have a conversation with her, unless you want to get charged with everything.
We didn't do anything, man.
Okay.
She was dropping up here and we were going to stay here because we knew.
Get your feet in, okay?
Della, what the fuck? None of this is our fault, okay? No. So listen, don't hit your head. Lisa will come get us, okay? Well, let's not be rude. Let's not be mean. Okay. Okay. Let's hold it together. Didn't do nothing wrong. Okay?
Thank you for watching the video. If you found the content helpful, don't forget to share and leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback and look forward to hearing your thoughts to improve our future content.